Hey everyone, welcome back. Day 3 of our Spoken English 30 Days Challenge.
Yes, and today's topic is one that confuses a lot of people, present perfect and present perfect continuous.
True, but don't worry, by the end of today, it'll feel supernatural. Let's start simple. Have you ever traveled outside India?
Yes, actually I have visited Nepal once.
Curious, I have visited Nepal. That's present perfect. We use it to talk about life experiences, things that happened at some point in your life, but we don't say exactly when.
Right, and I've also tried skydiving.
I have tried skydiving. See the pattern? Have plus the past participle form of the verb. Visited, tried, seen, done.
So it's different from simple past?
Great question. Simple past says exactly when. I visited Nepal last year. Present perfect just says it happened, without a specific time. I have visited Nepal. The focus is on the experience, not the date.
Oh, that's a subtle but important difference.
Exactly. Now with he, she, it, we use has instead of have. She has visited Nepal. He has tried skydiving.
My sister has watched that movie 3 times.
Impressed. And that's another common use, talking about how many times something happened.
Curious, what about negative sentences?
We add not after have or has. I have not visited Nepal. She has not tried skydiving. We often shorten it to haven't or hasn't in casual speech.
And questions.
We move have or has to the front. Have you visited Nepal? Has she tried skydiving?
Have you ever eaten sushi?
Great example. And ever is a word we use a lot with present perfect questions, asking about any time in someone's life.
Curious. Now, what about something that started in the past and is still continuing? Like, how long have you been living in this city?
Oh, good one. I have been living here for 5 years.
Interesting. I have been living. That's present perfect continuous.
Exactly. This tense shows an action that started in the past and is still going on now, with focus on the duration, how long.
So the structure is have or has plus been plus verb with ing.
Exactly. I have been living. She has been working. They have been waiting.
Connecting the dots, so I have visited Nepal is a completed experience, but I have been living here for 5 years means it's still continuing.
Pleased. Perfect distinction. And we usually use for with a duration. For 5 years, for 2 hours, and since with a starting point. Since 2019, since morning.
Practicing, I have been waiting for you since 9 a.m.
Laughing. Ouch, sounds like I'm in trouble, but perfect sentence.
Curious, negative form?
I have not been waiting long, or she has not been feeling well since Monday.
And questions?
Have you been waiting long? Has she been feeling well?
Confident? Okay, this is making more sense now. Present perfect for experiences or completed actions with present relevance. Present perfect continuous for ongoing actions with focus on duration.
Worm, exactly. Now here's something interesting I want to point out. A mistake almost every Hindi speaker makes with this tense because in Hindi we don't separate these ideas the same way.
Oh, tell me.
In Hindi, we say मैं जानता हूँ, which literally feels like I am knowing. But in English, know is a state, not an action. So we never say I am knowing. We simply say I know.
Oh, that's such a common mistake. I've heard people say, I'm knowing him since college.
Exactly. The correct sentence is I have known him since college. Present perfect, not present continuous, because know describes a state and it started in the past and continues now.
That's such a useful tip. Same with understand, believe, like, want. These are state verbs too, right?
Exactly. I am understanding is wrong. We say I understand. Or if it's ongoing from the past, I have understood this for a while now.
Impressed. That's such a small detail, but it really changes how natural you sound.
That's exactly why I wanted to mention it today since we are talking about present perfect. Alright, let's move to our favorite segment now.
Playful translation time. Let's go.
Enthusiastic. मैंने कभी गोवा नहीं देखा.
Gentle correction.
Almost. We are missing have here. The correct sentence is, I have never seen Goa. Remember, have plus past participle seen, not just seen alone.
Oh, right. I dropped the have completely.
Very common mistake. Don't worry. Let's try two similar ones for practice. How about, मैं कभी Paris नहीं गया?
Impressed. I have never gone to Paris.
Impressed. Perfect. And one more. उसने कभी ये किताब नहीं पढ़ी.
Smiling, she has never read this book.
Excellent. You caught the pattern immediately after the correction. Let's continue. वो सुबह से काम कर रहा है.
Gentle correction.
Close, but for actions that started in the past and are continuing with since or for, we use present perfect continuous, not present continuous. So it's, he has been working since morning.
Right. Is working is just right now, but has been working since morning shows the duration.
Exactly. Let's practice two more like this. बारिश 2 घंटे से हो रही है.
Impressed. It has been raining for 2 hours.
Impressed. And वो लोग कल से इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
Excellent. They have been waiting since yesterday.
Excellent. No mistakes. You're really getting comfortable with since and for now.
Thanks to that clear explanation earlier.
One more. A tricky one. मुझे उससे प्यार है जब से मैं उसे जानता हूँ.
Thinking carefully, I am loving her since I am knowing her.
Laughing gently. This is exactly the mistake we talked about. Both love and know are state verbs, so we never use ing with them. The correct sentence is, I have loved her since I have known her.
Laughing? Wow, I fell right into that trap.
Worm, don't worry. This is genuinely one of the hardest habits to break for Hindi speakers because Hindi doesn't make this distinction. Just remember, feelings and mental states, love, know, believe, want, understand, these don't take ing ever.
Confident? Got it. I'll remember that rule specifically now.
Worm, perfect. That's real progress. Alright, before we finish, let's take a few minutes to go over everything nice and slow.
Calm? Clear? Sure. Today we covered present perfect and present perfect continuous. Present perfect is for life experiences or completed actions where the exact time isn't important. Structure is have or has plus the past participle. I have visited. She has tried.
For negative, we add not, I have not visited, and we often shorten it to haven't or hasn't. For questions, we move have or has to the front. Have you visited? Has she tried?
Present perfect continuous is for actions that started in the past and are still continuing, with focus on duration. Structure is have or has plus been plus verb with ing. I have been living. She has been working.
For negative, I have not been waiting, and for questions, have you been waiting? Has she been feeling well?
And remember, we use for with a duration like for 5 years and since with a starting point like since 2019.
Worm, and the most important tip from today, state verbs like know, love, believe, want, understand never take ing ever, even when talking about something ongoing. We use present perfect instead, not present perfect continuous.
Encouraging. Now it's your turn to practice. In the comments below, write 2 sentences. First, using present perfect, tell us something you have experienced in your life, a place you visited, a food you've tried. Second, using present perfect continuous, tell us something you have been doing for a while and mention for or since.
Playful. And bonus points if you correctly use a state verb like know or love without adding ing to it.
Worm, we'll be reading your comments, so go ahead and write below. This tense takes practice, so don't worry about getting it perfect immediately.
Excited. That's it for day 3. Tomorrow we are going back into the past with past perfect, learning how to talk about something that happened before another past event.
Waving, so stay subscribed, keep your notifications on, and don't miss tomorrow's episode.
Worm, see you tomorrow, guys.
Smiling, keep practicing, keep speaking. Bye for now.